Day 16 of turning boring YouTube videos into viral short-form content.
It's a quiet morning in the New Mexican town of Taos. The air is crisp and cool, and Governor Charles Bent can hear the crunch of approaching footsteps outside his bedroom window. Then comes the sound of angry, drunken voices. They grow louder and louder, rising together in a war song that shatters the stillness of the land. Governor Bent starts to rise from his bed, but the men outside are impatient. Alcohol has mixed with years of resentment and driven them into a frenzy. They start pounding on his front door with their fists. Some of them climb up onto the roof. They continue shouting at him until he finally shuffles out, still dressed in his bedclothes. "What do you want?" he shouts. "We want your head," replies the mob. "We don't want you to govern us anymore." As Governor Bent looks out at the angry mob, he sees they are a group of Pueblo Indians, many of whom he has known for years. Not realizing the danger that he's in, he tries to talk to them, but they're not interested in talking. Instead, they draw back their bowstrings and release a volley of arrows. 3 of the arrows lodge themselves in the governor's face, and he staggers back through the front door, bolting it after him.